Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. It's coming from Frigidaire. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Dehumidifier, 35 pints, 15 moderate moisture. Big one. So definitely might need to get some help if you have older folks at home that need help setting this up. Kind of heavy. So we're going to open it up. Be right back. Alright guys, we got it out of the box. Pretty heavy, guys. So I'm going to shove this downstairs once I'm done with this video. And that's I'll be using it for my basement. There we go, almost got it. They want to make sure this is secured. There we go. There we go. That was the easier one. Put that there. Ooh. Got the top down. There we go. Look at this bad boy. She's a big one. Holy smokes. This is nice. Now these are we empty the water out. Container. Oops. Instruction manual. Got that right there. Put that down on the floor. Take a look at it now. I got there we go. Pop that in. Alright, hold on one sec. Alright guys, here's the back side, what it looks like. Simple. You plug the hose in there. You can either use a hose or the bucket. I'm going to be doing a bucket. Less mess for me to clean up. That's where the power cord goes to. If you move, you could always take it with you. Put your cord there. We got some buttons on top here. Oh, this thing is definitely heavy. So there we go. Got wheels, so that's a good thing. Okay, just pop that out. There we go. Oh yeah, that's a nice bottom. Look at that. Really nice. That's what it looks like inside. Right there. Right there. And got the handle. Let's take off the tape. There's the handle right there. Lift it up and then put it back in. Boom. And now we plug her in. See what she's about. Oops. Alright guys, I got it turned on. Right there. Whoa. Well, that feels cool. Well, that feels really good. You can adjust. It'll tell you if the bucket's full. High speed. Oh wow. Super nice. So definitely check them out, guys. Frigidaire on Amazon. Link will be down below. That's about it. It's pretty simple to use. And it works great so far. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good one. See ya.